If you love gadgets that make your life smarter, easier, and a little more futuristic, then you're in the right place. This is REVX, where we bring you the most unique, useful, and next-level tech from across the internet. Stuff you've probably never seen before. In today's video, we're checking out some next-level gadgets. Small things that can completely upgrade your everyday life. You'll find all the product links in the description, so you can check them out easily. And if you're into amazing gadgets like these, don't forget to hit subscribe. Let's get started.
This isn't just a flashlight. It's a gadget you can actually play with. Yeah, it lights up, but it also has mini games, animations, and this super satisfying twist control. This is the Dot EDC flashlight. Compact, rechargeable, and packed with features you wouldn't expect. It comes with 11 mini games like dice and quick reaction games, perfect for killing time anywhere. You also get a 400 lumen spotlight plus a soft floodlight. Just twist to adjust brightness smoothly. It's made from aerospace-grade aluminum, super lightweight, USB-C rechargeable, and easy to carry anywhere. If you love cool gadgets or EDC gear, this is one of the most fun tools you can own.
Still carrying multiple chargers? This one charger can power your entire setup, laptop, phone, tablet, all at the same time, no slowdown. This is a 140-watt USB-C fast charger with 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A port, so you can charge up to 4 devices at once. It can charge a MacBook Pro to over 50% in just 30 minutes. Yeah, it's that fast. It even has a smart display showing power usage, temperature, and charging time, so you always know what's going on. Powered by GaN tech, it runs cooler, faster, and more efficient. No overheating, no power drops. And it's compact with a foldable plug, perfect for travel or everyday use. If you want one charger for everything, this is it.
This isn't just a lamp. It can literally replace your entire desk setup. I'm talking lamp, clock, charger, pen holder, everything in one. This is a multi-function desk lamp, and it comes with time, date, and temperature display, built-in alarm clock, plus USB charging for your devices. And the most satisfying part? The color-changing nightlight. It makes your whole desk look aesthetic instantly. It also has a built-in pen holder, so no more messy desk, and 3 brightness levels, perfect for studying, working, or late-night reading. If you're a student or work late at night, this will genuinely make your life easier. It's a small gadget, but a huge upgrade for your setup. Trust me, once you use it, you won't go back.
This tiny tool can literally replace half your toolbox and fit in your pocket. This is a heavy-duty pry bar multi-tool, small, compact, but packed with insane features. It even has a bi-directional ratchet screwdriver with built-in bits, perfect for quick fixes anywhere. And get this, it comes with an everlasting magnetic pen. No ink, no refills, works anytime, anywhere. You've got a pry bar, wrench, bottle opener, box cutter, all in one tool. Perfect for everyday carry or outdoor use. If you love smart tools, this is one of those must-have gadgets.
Worried someone might steal your stuff while traveling? This backpack literally locks everything in. No zippers to worry about, no easy access, just full security. This is a smart anti-theft backpack with a built-in password lock, keeping your laptop, iPad, and valuables completely safe. It fits up to a 15.6-inch laptop, and it's made with waterproof Oxford material and zippers, so rain is not a problem. It even has a USB 3.0 charging port, so you can charge your phone while walking. Plus, breathable padding and adjustable straps, so it stays comfortable even on long trips. If you travel, commute, or carry tech daily, this is a must-have upgrade.
Ever wondered what's actually inside your ear? Yeah, this gadget lets you see it. No guessing, no risky cleaning, just a clear, live view on your phone. This is an earwax removal camera tool. It connects to your phone and shows everything inside your ear in real time.
You can even take photos and videos and use split screen mode to compare before and after. It's designed with soft tips and a protective cover, so it's safe, comfortable, and easy to use. The ultra-thin camera makes it easy to reach inside without hurting your ear, super precise and effective. If you want a smarter and safer way to clean your ears, this is a must-have gadget.
Love reading at night but hate disturbing others? This tiny light fixes that instantly. No more harsh lights, no more eye strain, just perfect reading vibes. This is a clip-on book light, super lightweight and designed for reading anytime, anywhere. It has 3 brightness levels, plus smooth dimming, and it even remembers your last setting. With 3 color temperatures, you can switch from warm to cool light, easy on your eyes and perfect for late-night reading. It's USB-C rechargeable and lasts up to 80 hours. Plus, the flexible head lets you adjust it exactly how you want. If you're a book lover, this is one of those small gadgets you'll use every single day.
Cold hands in winter? This tiny gadget fixes that instantly. And it lasts all day. No more freezing fingers, no more bulky gloves, just instant heat. This is a 2-in-1 rechargeable hand warmer. You can use it as one unit or split it into 2. Hold one in each hand or share it with someone. Perfect for travel, hiking, or just daily use. It has 3 heat levels with smart temperature control, giving you safe and consistent warmth up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. And the crazy part, up to 24 to 60 hours of warmth with a charging case. That's days of use. If you hate cold weather, this is one of the best winter gadgets you can get.
Hate bending down to pick up dirt? This vacuum cleans it for you, automatically. No buttons, no effort, just sweep and it sucks everything in. This is a smart automatic vacuum dustpan with infrared sensors that detect your broom and turn on instantly. Just sweep dust toward it and it pulls everything in with 20 kPa powerful suction. No bending needed. It uses a HEPA filter to trap 99.7% of dust, hair, and tiny particles, keeping your air clean too. You can also switch to tool mode and use the hose for corners, pet hair, or tight spaces. If you want faster, easier cleaning, this is a total game changer for your home.
Learning chess the hard way? This board literally teaches you while you play. No coach? No problem. This gives you real-time guidance with lights. This is a smart AI chessboard that shows your best moves with colorful light indicators as you play. You can play against AI with 32 difficulty levels, from beginner all the way to pro, or go online and play real people through platforms like Lichess and chess.com, anytime, anywhere. It's portable, sleek, and perfect for home, office, or travel. Plus, you can adjust help levels for each player. If you want to actually improve at chess, this is a total game changer.
Working in the heat all day? This tiny fan keeps you cool, hands-free. No holding, no sweating. Just clip it on and feel the breeze. This is a waist clip fan. You can attach it to your belt, pocket, or even wear it around your neck. It runs on a 6,200 RPM motor, giving you strong airflow instantly, even in extreme heat. And it lasts up to 23 hours on a single charge, so you stay cool all day long. With 3 speed settings, you can go from a light breeze to full power depending on the heat. If summer heat is killing your vibe, this is a must-have gadget.
Still using a measuring tape for everything? This tiny gadget replaces it completely. It's literally the size of a credit card, but measures your whole room. This is a laser distance measurer. Just point, click, and get instant measurements on screen. It measures up to 98 feet in seconds with super high accuracy. Perfect for home projects, furniture setup, or DIY work. It has a clear OLED display, USB-C charging, and can handle hundreds of measurements on a single charge. And yeah, bonus, you can even use the laser to play with your cat.
If you love smart tools or DIY, this is one of the coolest gadgets.